Okay, so today is our ninth class, and as part of ninth class, we are going to discuss about Salesforce Trailhead account setup, like how we can do the setup and what all things we can access through this Trailhead account. And post that, we will go ahead with this account object and then contact object, which are the standard object of the Salesforce. Okay. So let's go ahead with the Salesforce Trailhead account setup, like how we can set up our Trailhead account and what is it. Okay. So let me go to the org. So Salesforce provide Trailhead. Okay. So in Trailhead, we can study about each topics in details, like whatever the theory we are looking for. So we can go ahead with that, and also it provide some practice questions. So whenever we go through with any module, so for each module we have some modules, and for each some modules we have question answers. So whatever you are studying, so you have to reply. You have to give the answer for those questions. Okay, and accordingly it will give you some points on the trial. So how we can sign up for Trailhead? So we have to go through with this trailhead.salesforce.com. Okay, so once you will open this trailhead.salesforce.com, so if you have not already logged in, so in that case it will ask for the sign up. So right now I have already logged in. Let me log out. So we have to go to this trailhead.salesforce.com, and here we have option for sign up. So since you are new, so we have to sign up from this button. After clicking on this sign up button, it will give multiple options, like how you want to sign up. Do you want to go through with your Google account, or if you have already Salesforce with, then you want to use that, MuleSoft, Tableau, and we have Marketing Cloud and LinkedIn also. And apart from LinkedIn, if you want to sign up with Apple account, so we can also do through Apple account. Okay, so these are the multiple options we have for the sign up. And apart from that, if you want to sign up with any specific email ID, so you can also type your custom email ID. Like I want to sign up with my email ID, rajankemester90@gmail.com. Then I will click on the next. And after sign up, it will send you one code on your registered email ID. I mean, on this email ID, whatever the email ID you will put. So on that email ID, it will send one code. So let me go to that. So here you can see the code sent by Salesforce. So we have to utilize this code, and post that we have to fill here and then submit code. So it will create a Salesforce Trailhead account for you, and it will also ask for other details. Let me just submit code. So now I am able to log into that account. Okay. So this is about the sign up. Okay. Now I will go to the profile. Once you will log in, so from here you can go to your image. Okay. And here we have all settings, profile setting, favorite, and all. So I will you just have to click on this profile, and under profile you can see all the modules which you have already completed. Okay. So here you can see I have already completed almost 140 badges here, and I have 96,912 points, and I have completed 13 trials, and my current designation is Ranger. So Trailhead provide some designation on the basis of your learnings. Okay, and here if you will click, then it will display all the levels we have. So these are the ranks we have, and that we can achieve on the basis of your learning and completing the modules. Once you will create an account, so by default it will be a scout rank, because we have batch 0 point is also 0 because that is a new account. As soon as you will start learning through each module, so it will increase the batch as well as points. So once you will complete one batch and 200 points, so it will change to the hiker. After completion of 5 batch or 3000 points, it will be explorer. Post that it will be adventure, and then it will come to the mountaineer after completion of 25 badge or 18,000 points. Like that it will keep increasing, and once you will complete 100 badge or 50,000 points, so it will be ranger. Okay. Post ranger we have double star ranger, triple star ranger, 4-star ranger, and 5-star ranger. And for each ranger we have a badge count. So for my account, I am about to complete that 100K points. So it will be 2-star ranger post that. Okay, then triple star, 4-star, 5-star, and after that we have all-star ranger. So all-star ranger means you have completed all modules of the Salesforce. So badge could be 600 or point should be 3000K. If any of the criteria is matching, then you will get that designation for each badge. Okay, any doubt? So for me, 1 second, let me. So for me, you can see I have 143 badges completed, and total points I have 96,912. So it will require either 3088 points or 57 badges to go for the double star ranger. Okay, so likewise you also have to start learning from here, and how we can start on this. So let me explain that as well. So here we have certifications, trials, modules, project, everything is there. From here you can start. Okay, since you guys have just started, so I will suggest you to go with the certification, and I will just select for certification by role, and under this we have multiple certification points, so we can start with Salesforce administration, right? So here we have Salesforce certified platform administrator. So we will just click on this certification, and here you can see we have option for prepare for your Salesforce administrator credentials. We just have to select this, and here you will get all the modules which is required for beginners. Okay, I have already completed, so that's why it's coming as a green tick. And since you are starting, so we just have to start one by one. Okay, so once you will click this module, so it will open other sub modules as well. Like on second, Salesforce platform basic. Okay, so under this you can see we have multiple sub modules, right? So unlock business success with Salesforce data platform. First of all, you have to open this one. After completion of that, it will mark as a tick, green tick. Then you can go to the next one. Okay, so once you will open any of them, so here you can get details of everything here. Okay, you have to read out everything so that you will get some understanding about basic things. Okay, so after completion of this, and you can also see on the time frame, it will require 20 minutes. So whatever the estimate time it gives means either you can complete in 20 minutes or 30 minutes. It totally depends on you, but its average time is 20 minutes for completing this module. I mean this tab. Okay, post completion at the end you will get some question and answer section. Ready for challenge? Since I have already completed, so that's why it's coming as 500 plus point I have already achieved as part of this. If I want to retake, then here retake this challenge. So here we have all the things which we have to perform. And what is the task? Add a custom field on the contact object. And many of buyers who work with for this is details, and here they have given details what we have to create, like create a field on the contact object. Field data type should be currency, field label should be loan amount, and API name should be loan amount. So system will check on the basis of these value. If you will do any mistake in this provided data, so it will not complete and it will trigger like error. So whatever the data they are giving, exactly we have to type the same. No spelling mistake and nothing else. No extra spaces and all. Okay. Before like checking for this challenge, we have to select the org. Okay. So from here we have three dot, right? After clicking on this, it will ask to either create a playground or connect with your org. You can create a playground also where you can do the practice, or last in first class you have already created your Salesforce account, right? So we can go to this connect org, and after connecting you have to provide the login credential of your Salesforce developer account. Once you will enter ID and password, then login, and after that it will ask for allow. It will pop up a allow button. So we just have to allow it and save it. So here, yes, save it. Connect to the profile, continue. It's already connected, so that's why it's showing like this, because I have already connected with that particular org. So all connected org will display here. Okay, so in my profile it's already connected. Okay, so any doubt in connection?
No, sir.
Okay, So if no doubt, then what we have to do, just we have to select that org here, and whatever the account you will connect, so that will by default display here. So here you can see I have multiple options, but my selected org is this one, right? So after that, we just have to click on this check challenge to earn 500 points. Okay, as soon as you will click on this, then it will validate in this org with that requested data. Like since they are requesting for the custom field, that is loan amount on contact, so, and also the data type should be currency. So it will validate for both, and then it will complete the challenge. So in my org, I have already deleted that field after completion. So that's why the field loan amount either does not exist on a contact object or it is not of type currency. Okay. So I have already completed, and after that I have deleted those on that field. So if I have to again clear this challenge, then I have to create that field. But since I have already completed those, so no need to do this again. Okay, but you guys have to do this in your org. Okay, any doubt? Once you will complete first, then we have to go to the next one, and then third, fourth, and fifth. And for each module, they have given the estimated time. Okay, once you will complete all these sub modules, then it will take as a green on that particular module. So Salesforce platform basic module will be completed after completion of all these. Okay. So once you will complete the first module, then post that you can go with another one, that is prepare your Salesforce org for users, and after that user management you can go. So you have to go one by one, view and manage users. We just have to click on this link and it will redirect to that module, and then customize an org and support. So one by one we have to complete these. So on daily basis, try to complete two or three modules minimum. Okay. Any doubt on the module part? I will send the link for this. Okay. Let me copy chat. Okay. You can save in your browser by bookmarking this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is all about the basic thing of this trailhead. Just try to get as much as module you can complete on the daily basis, and I will show you some other where I have not completed. Let me go to the module permission set. Suppose I am going to permission set groups. Okay, so here you can see it's not marked as a green tick, right? Once I will complete, then only it will mark as a green tick, and post that this module will also mark as a tick, means we have completed. So get started with permission set group. So for some submodules, you will get option for checking the challenge by doing some configuration in your org, and for those it's a 500 point. Okay, if they are asking for any challenge to do in your org, either to creating any permission set field or profile or like report, dashboard. It depends on now on the topic. So for that we have 500 point, but for others where they ask for question answers, so for the question answers we have 100 points. So on this you can see we have a quiz and it contains total 2 questions. Okay, so as per your learning on the above topics, you have to reply from here. Don't try to get the answer through chat GPT. If you will go on search on the chat GPT, it will give the answer. Okay, but don't try that because you are in learning phase. Okay, so like if I will just go and search on chat GPT, it will give the answer for this. But you have to reply through your learning which you have gone through, so that you will get some idea about that. B. So here we have B, a group of permission set bundled together based on job functions. What are the benefits of using permission sets group? So from here you can select the answer. A. Okay. So this is the correct answer, and if I will click on this check the quiz and earn 100 points. So if both answers are correct, so it will give 100 points. If any of the answer will be wrong, so it will display as a wrong answer, and 50 point will get deducted from this. So for the second attempt, it will be 50 points only. And if in the second attempt also you are not clearing, so in third attempt it will be 25. Okay, so the this point will get decreasing after second and third attempts, and post third attempts it will be 25 for all time. So if you want to obtain more points, so you must have to provide the correct answers. Like this is the correct answer, but I am giving the wrong answer as a automatic assignment of permissions to user. Okay, I will just click on this check the quiz to earn. See here, it's showing you have got one wrong answer, right? And it's also showing for which question the answer is wrong. For the second one, it's already highlighted in red. If you will go to the first, it's highlighted as green, means it's correct. And you can see here point, check the quiz to earn 50 points. So for second attempt, it's 50 point. Again, I will do some mistake here. I will try with the C, option C. And if I will click on this, check the quiz to earn. Now, this one is also incorrect answer, right? And it's throwing that this question's answer is wrong. And now you can see what is the option? Check the quiz to earn 25 points only. So after third attempts, it will be from third attempts it will be 25 points only. I will again try the D and check the quiz. So it will be 25 only. So for each question answers, minimum point will be 25. So we don't have to do the mistakes. Okay, just try to get as much as point you can achieve. And if you have doubt on any answer, so you can revisit the above topics and you can read in detail. Okay, and now if I will give the correct answer for this question, so it will give 25 points only. Okay, so I have achieved 25 points. If I will click on this tackle to the next unit, means it will go to the next sub module. So it opened next module. And if I will go to the main module, so here you can see first one I have completed and second one is pending. Okay, so we have to go through each module and complete all the challenges which is mentioned. That might for some modules it will be question answer, some for some we have to do the challenge in our org. So wherever it's asking for doing the challenge in our org, so we have to go to our developer org and we have to perform the requested items, whatever they have requested. So we have to perform the same in our development org. And then once you will click on the check for challenge, then it will validate in that org, and post validation it will give you the points and it will mark as a complete. Okay, so this is all about the trailhead and module things, like how we can complete any module, how we can go ahead with any module, and then what all points we will get as part of completion of the quiz. So those things we have completed. Any doubt, anyone?
No.
Okay,